Hi guys, and welcome to another Python programming tutorial. And in this tutorial we are gonna build a really nice script which is gonna be guess the word script. Now what is guess the word script? Guess the word script is nothing but there are gonna be 1,000 different or 10,000 different words, and you'll be prompted if the first word, the first letter as well as the last letter of it and the length of the whole word, and you have to actually guess that particular word. And if you can really guess it correctly, fine, you're fine with it. And if you don't, then you will be prompted like, okay, this is this particular word, and if you really want to know the meaning of that particular word, then it can actually display the meaning of that particular word. So how is this helpful for you guys? Maybe you can improve your English out of it, but fine. Going on. First of all, I have, different word list in here, which I can it's stored in here as a txt file. This has a lot of information available: copyright, university management, various different words in here. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna read it. First of all, like we need random because we are gonna randomly select from that particular word list. Now, we are gonna use NLTK for it because NLTK has a really nice corpus, which is the wordnet, you can say. And wordnet is nothing but there are like various different words as well as the meanings, the anonyms as well as the synonyms of it, like, and it's really good. So we are going to use it because we want to know the definition of it, like what is the proper meaning of that particular word. So for this, we are going to need WordNet. Now, going on, first of all, we need to read the text file. So then we're going to open. I'm going to copy out, real fast this name as maybe something like word list. Now, first of all, we're going to read it, and after reading it, we're going to actually change it into a list format because eventually we want it in a read list format. Read list is equal to list of, and we are going to need word list dot read dot split, because as we have seen in here, the txt file doesn't have any spaces in it. That's why we're going to need it. Return read list. Now this is going to return us that particular list. We're going to directly jump into the main function. If underscore name is equal to underscore, and then we're going to go in and read it here. English words is equal to read words. Now we have all the particular English words in here. If you want to really print it and see, which I don't think it's needed, we're going to directly jump and choose the word. Word choice is equal to, now random has something known as choice, which can actually choose randomly from a given list. So in here our list is English words. Now after going on, we are going to use it. Synonyms is equal to wordnet dot synsets, because it's like synonym sets or something like that. And then we're gonna pass the parameter, which is the word. It takes only word parameter, like what is that particular word. Word word choice. Now once we are gonna given with the word choice, we have that particular synonym. Now print. Now this is just a bunch of print statements. the word starts with, comma, word choice of 0 and ends with choice of -1. -1 because we actually need the last word. That's why -1 from this last word. And we have the length of the word. Length of the word is, comma, ln of choice. Now we're gonna ask us like what are is our choice. So maybe our choice is equal to maybe input enter your choice. Once we're done with our choice, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna use like if choice is equal to word choice, then we are gonna print yes, you guessed it correctly, or else we're gonna print else, maybe print wrong guess, and we'll also print like if you want to know the word, it is, comma, word underscore choice, maybe I'll give it a space in a, if you want to know the meaning, me, whoops, me meaning of the word, press yes, or press no if not. Now we're gonna like ask the user for its choice. Choice is equal to input enter your choice. And we're gonna go, there's a space in here. After entering the choice, we're gonna compare if choice is equal to yes, or we'll just copy in here, choice is equal to yes, or choice is equal to yes. Print the definition of the word is maybe something like, yeah, print of the word is, and if you want to really print the definition of it, syns, which is the stored one of 0 dot definition, definition, and print, like, then no print needed, else maybe print out uh, you know, thank you, maybe something like press yes next time. Fine. Now we're done in here. Now it's time for us to run it and see if it really works. Is equal to, and because it's gonna take some time because it's loading. Okay, so let it take its time, and it should work now. It should work now. I don't know why it's taking so much of time, but still. In the meantime, if you really want me to actually like go on and make some other videos, let me know in the comment section down below. Enter your choice. Starts with I and ends with D. I actually don't know, so I'll do like I and D because it's a long word and my English is not that strong. Wrong guess. If you want to really know, yes. So I'll press as yes. The definition of the word is influence or affect. So this is our word influenced, and this is our meaning influenced or affect. So we know it's running fine. Now improve your English with it, meanings, words, sentences, something like that. That's it for this video, guys. If you really like the video, hit the like button, and thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.